Close your eyes and slow down your breath. Take a deep breath on 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhale 2, 3, 4. Continue breathing this way. Now focus on 3 dots. 2 dots on your wrists and 1 on your chest. And notice how focusing on this triangle takes you completely out of your head. Now we're going to set the program for calmness, which on the one hand will allow you to feel peace in the turbulent times, and on another hand will raise your vibration, which at the same time will help protect you, your family, and your home from a hurricane. Within the strong turbulent winds of the hurricane, there is an eye-center of the hurricane that is always quiet. There is no wind and no movement there. For a moment, picture that in your mind. Can you visualize the strong turbulent winds of the hurricane and the inner core that is peaceful and quiet? On the count of 3, you're gonna step into that center. 1, 2, 3. Step into the center of the hurricane. Notice how your current circumstances, your thoughts, your feelings, and the sensations throughout your body can be compared to the winds of the hurricane. Just imagine letting go of all these things for a moment, so you're no longer taking part in them. Just like the center of the hurricane is not taking part in the turbulent surrounding winds, you're steady, calm, and strong. Focus on your breath, focus inwards, and imagine how from your heart center the light starts shining brighter and brighter, filling your chest, your entire body, and coming out of your body creates a protective bubble. See how this bubble keeps growing, and now start including others into these protective walls of this beautiful sphere of light. Your family, your pets, your home, your neighbors, your town, your state. The bubble is growing bigger and bigger, and everything that is inside that bubble is calm and safe and protected. And now watch the turbulence of the wind slowing down, and previously feared hurricane suddenly changes and turns into the drops of rain, the rain that clears the darkness around your bubble and calms down everything. You feel safe and protected. Your family and the loved ones are safe and protected. Your city, your state is safe and protected. All is well in your world, in your beautiful, calm, peaceful world. All is well. Так будет, да будет так, так и есть.